#Interior Kit. G-Class 2007. Upgrade to 2024. Full kit inside available. Handshake. Welcome to order. The kit includes all the necessary parts, computers, wiring, and it's all plug and play. We also offer a wide selection of colors and designs. And you can also order designs from famous brands. Feel free to contact us. We always have highest quality parts, largest assortment of stock, unique assortment products, professional consultation, highest service, fastest delivery, worldwide shipping, and of course for all of this little bit high prices worldwide shipping. For details, price and orders, feel free to contact us inbox.